Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Momentum brand solar light stake. Yeah, now, me personally, I have a bunch of these around my house. Right now it's the daytime, so I'd show you how it looks on, but it's daytime right now and it's not dark out. But what happens is it's a solar light, and this is the solar panel on the top. And what it does is, it draws in the sun during the day, and at night, these automatically come on all by themselves, which is awesome. Whoever invented that. Yeah, so what you do is take out the bottom here. You see this part right here? You take this out like this, and there is a stake inside like this, and you put this around the end like this. Stick that in there like that. Oops. And that stake goes into the ground, like in your garden or yard or whatever, and you stick it in there, and that's where it will stay until it's nighttime, and it'll illuminate. Now, these lights are just bright enough just to pretty much see them, but they don't light up like an area or anything. You would need a lot of them together to do that. It's kind of like when you have like a bunch of them, and which I do. I have like about maybe 15 or 20 in a row that kind of almost gives the impression of Christmas lights almost. They're not really there to light up anything. It's just kind of like stars. This is kind of like that. It's just there to light up the spot, so it makes your yard look nice. So, and it does. They're really kind of pretty if you have them like in a row in a kind of decorative way, and when the sun goes down to see them all come on, they're nice. And what I like about these is the fact that they last. I've had these kind of stakes in my yard for a good, about 5-6 years now, and I've only had 2 of them stop working, and I have a lot of them. The others have, draw up the sun every day, and it's not a problem. If they do it like, it's like fine, And what it is, see, they have to withstand the weather and all the environment, heavy winds, even the intense heat. Now, I live in an area where it gets hot, especially in the summertime. Like, I'm talking about over 100, and I know solar powered, it's supposed to be drawing in the heat, but the rest of the materials around it, heat and, weather conditions, it can really, do damage on some materials, but this does very well. Now, I'm not saying they're the best, but they do what they're supposed to do. Like I said, it's not really super bright, but it does look nice if you have a lot of them. Now, if you just had this one, like next to a lamp post or something outside, it would kind of look like, what the heck is that, But it looks nice when there's a lot of them together. That's why they're so inexpensive, I think, because these are really, really inexpensive. And I think they mean for you to buy a lot of them, so you give the effect of the whole Christmas light type thing, like I was telling you. Yeah, so they illuminate very well for the size that they are, and it looks really nice. It really does. It has like a soft white shine to it, and they last, and they go in the ground very easily too. This stake can go pretty deep, and it stays in there. I haven't had to worry about the stake bending or anything like that. It goes in there really easy. You stick this in there really hard. Try to make a small hole first, because you don't want to hit the top of this and ram it into the ground. Try to make a decent size hole first and then put this in there. Yeah, these are really good. I like these solar lights. Right. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Momentum brand solar light stake. Hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.